Things are about to get serious when I bust out the KitchenAid mixer. Today we're gonna make a Biscoff Cookie Icebox Cake, and you make it in the refrigerator, not in the oven. Let me show you how to do it. We're gonna start with 2 cups of heavy cream. You guys know I love my Kelowna Supernatural. It's milk and cream from grass-fed cows. Now I'm gonna add 4 ounces, half of a block of cream cheese to my whipped cream mixture and blend it in. While the cream cheese mixture is being whipped, I'm gonna put down a whole layer of these Biscoff cookies in the bottom of a lined loaf pan. We added a tablespoon of vanilla. You measure vanilla with your heart. And then we need a half a cup of cookie butter. I bought this Biscoff brand at just a traditional grocery store, but Trader Joe's makes their own brand. It's literally just called cookie butter. You need to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I like to use a monk fruit substitute. So that is what this is. It measures 1 for 1. Half a teaspoon salt. Our mixture is all put together, and at this point, we're literally gonna make cookie lasagna. So layer of cookies, layer of filling, and then another layer of cookies. This is our melted Biscoff cookie butter. It happened in the microwave in about between 20 and 30 seconds. Just pour it over the top. We're gonna pop this whole thing into the refrigerator for about 24 hours, and the cookies are gonna soften and it's gonna turn into an icebox cake. Okay, it's been in the fridge. You can see that the top of it has kind of sealed and set up. Sprinkle these cookie crumbs on top. How good does that look? I'm also just gonna put a little bit of flaky sea salt on top because salt makes sweet things taste even sweeter. And when I go to serve it, I'm just gonna slice it and pull it out in slices.